Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to use YouTube on XIAOMI Projector. So using YouTube on a projector is not that hard, and I'll show you guys why. Basically go over to the Your Apps section. As you guys can see, we're here. Now we go to Your Apps. Here we open YouTube. And we use it just like on mobile, except we don't have a keyboard and we need to type through our TV remote. I can't connect to YouTube right now because my internet is acting up, and yeah, it's pretty easy. Trust me guys on this one. You'll definitely know how to do that once you get used to it. It's pretty hard when you have to search it up with the remote all the time, but still, it's very easy. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.